You know, I don't care for the light. I'm not in here half the time, so it doesn't bother me. It's a night light. But it takes away from showing you what's going on. I'm going to see if I can brighten this up without the pink light. Because you will not believe how these tomatoes are taking off. And everything else, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to have to cut this light. My gosh, it's kind of bright. Much, much better. Look at this. You know, I cut off all the dead stuff and look at this. Now I'm going to get some, I have some, gosh, I think they're bamboo stakes so that I can separate them out. And I'm going to end up taking the best, probably 2. And I thought of putting up a little trellis area here, but I think I'm just going to try with the bamboo things. But it's looking promising, and again, I'm excited. I'm leaving this on here just so that it gives the necessary ingredients to this. And look, I don't know how many people grow these in their house, but I'm not too fond of gardening outside anymore. And look, I'm wondering if this is going to be a flower. So I'm really excited about this, and I know it's an early update. Things haven't really taken off, but I wanted to show you that they did rebound. And this one here I brought in, and believe it or not, it was just a little piece off of my daughter-in-law's plant, but she rooted it for me, and it's done really well. And I got my aloe vera, and this here, this little plant, I stole from the hospital. My grandson, Rowan's baby shower. So it's been slow coming, but anyway, I got it inside. I'm going to show you a couple more of my stuff, and I have a surprise. Okay, you know I cut that light again, but I thought this was 2 plants, but indeed it's only 1. And I thought it was a jalapeno. See all my little blooms? Until I found this little critter right here. This little fella. And by the shape of it, it happens to be a habanero. I don't know what color, but that is fantastic. Now let's go to the next one. Now this is the one that was struggling, and I'm going to take off some more of the yellow leaves, but I took off a few before, and it seems to be doing much better. And of course, to my happiness, I'm getting blooms. And down here I cut the sucker off, and you know what I should have done? I should have cloned it. The next time I do something like that, I'm going to show you how I clone. It's not that difficult, and you get extra plants out of it. I just thought a sucker would be a wheat plant, but I was wrong. These 2 pepper plants, I'm not too sure what they are, but blooming, and I'm quite pleased. Now I have some other things I'm going to put in today, and I might add it to this video, or I might just catch up with you later. But still, is there anyone out there who's trying to do this inside? I'd like to have a buddy or a few that I can enjoy doing this with, you know, over the winter months. Especially during this COVID thing, you know, it's nice to be able to connect with people on some level. So let me get the rest of my stuff done, and I just wanted to give you an update.